Jane loves animals, furry, feathery, big, or small. From cuddling cats to cleaning cages, she dreams of becoming an animal caretaker, someone who helps animals live happy, healthy lives every single day. Animal caretakers make sure animals are fed, clean, safe, and feeling good. They work in places like Paw Prints zoos, Paw Prints animal shelters, Paw Prints pet stores, Paw Prints veterinary clinics, Paw Prints wildlife parks. Where there are animals in need, caretakers like Jane are there to help. Every day, Jane helps animals in important ways. Fork and knife with plate feeding and watering them. Soap cleaning cages and play areas. Stethoscope checking for signs of illness. Pill giving medicine, as the vet says. Tennis helping them exercise and play. Bathtub grooming and brushing. Speech balloon talking to customers or visitors about animal care. Jane starts preparing in high school, where she White heavy checkmark takes biology to learn about animal bodies. White heavy checkmark studies math to measure food and medicine. White heavy checkmark reads and writes to keep great animal care notes. White heavy checkmark volunteers at a shelter or pet store. White heavy checkmark joins animal clubs or science fairs. She learns how to be gentle, patient, and observant.